In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Google Merchant Center account. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can connect your website and get your products approved smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Merchant Center. The official site usually appears at the top. Look for the result from Google that mentions Merchant Center. Click through to the correct URL to avoid phishing pages. Once you're on the site, sign in with the Google account you use for your business. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're in the correct one so your product data stays consistent. After logging in, open the settings. You can find this under the Tools icon in the top right. From there, choose Business Information. In the menu, go to the Website section. This is where you'll confirm your online store so Google can connect your products to your domain. Click Confirm Online Store. You'll be asked how you want to verify ownership. Choose the method that fits how your site is set up. You can have a code sent to your business email, connect through your e-commerce platform if it's supported, add a short HTML tag to your site's head section, upload an HTML file to the root of your site, or verify with Google Tag Manager if you already use it. Pick one method and follow the on-screen steps closely. For an email code, monitor your inbox and spam folder, then paste the code where requested. For an e-commerce platform, follow the prompts to connect and authorize your store. If you add an HTML tag, place it in the head of your homepage and publish. For an HTML file, upload it to the root directory without renaming. With Google Tag Manager, make sure the container is installed on all pages and your workspace is published. Before verifying, confirm you're using the exact domain shown, including whether it's using www and https. Clear caches or use an incognito window if changes don't appear. Some methods may take a few minutes to propagate, especially file uploads and tag updates. When everything is in place, return to Merchant Center and click the Verify Website button. Google will check for the signal you set up and display a success message if it's found. If verification fails, review the instructions for your chosen method, fix any placement or access issues, and try again. Make sure you keep any verification tag or file in place if the method requires it, so your verification remains valid. That's it. Your Merchant Center account is now connected to your store, and you're ready to proceed with product feeds and policies.